Yes, hello, good morning or good day. Are you interested to put up with your own pharmacy or be a boss of your own business? So let us assist you. So today, before we start, I would like to formally introduce myself. I am Ms. Pauline, the sales manager of Medfarm Pharmacy franchise. So I am here today to discuss our business in detail, specifically regarding the opportunity to become one of our franchise owners. So, our office is located at J. Kiao, Manuyo Dos, Las Piñas City. So, we welcome visitors from Monday to Saturday with operating hours from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekdays and 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on weekends. Here's our legal documents and permit. You can also visit our office to review them if you decided to come by. So we have business clearance, license to operate from FDA, and we have also the business license and the mayor's permit. So what is pharmacy? So they typically refer to as a pharmacy, a drugstore, or a specific brand name. So as we know, the pandemic began 2019, and since then, the pharmaceutical industry has become highly profitable, even outside pandemic. So during pandemic, the number one thriving business is pharmacy or the drugstore. So people becoming more concerned about their health and wellness, increased sickness rate resulting in higher demand for medicines. People will continuously buy medicines, supplements, even after pandemic. Ano nga ba ang mission ni MedPharm? So, revolutionize the medicine industry by creating medical solutions to build a better world for the people and their community. So, the mission is we should also support our community by ensuring they don't have to travel far to get the medications that they need, helping them save on transportation or delivery costs. And our vision is to become the nation's leading provider of premium medicines at the best prices and essential commodities by bringing to people through our presence across the nation. So simple, the more we grow this business, the more we people can assist. We are also recognized by others. We will envision a future where we can compete with the largest brands. Why ask, o bakit nga ba si Medfarm? So si Medfarm is a new player in the industry, but we started year 2021, and as of 2025, we have multiple branches nationwide and continuously growing. So as you can see, we have numerous branches across the country, many of which have been operational for 2 to 3 years and consistently profitable. So our branches is located General Trias, Cavite. We have in Bacoor, Cavite, Imus, Cavite, Taysan, Batangas, Valenzuela City, Cubao, Quezon City, General Santos City, Taguig, Camarines Sur, Quiapo, Manila, Santo Tomas, Batangas, Quezon Province, Bohol, Ilocos Sur, Carcar, Cebu, Dagudin, Cebu, Iligan, Nueva Ecija, Davao Cebu, Antipolo, and Navotas. So, bakit nga ba mas magandang mag-franchise kay MedFarm? So, you don't need to research the location, but we recommend that we will help you as sometimes our clients are unsure about how to select the right one. So, you must understand that establishing a system requires not only time but also effort, suppliers, and significant expenses. You'll find it difficult to spend quality time with your family, yes, because you will be extremely busy. However, if you choose to franchise with us, we've already streamlined that entire process for you at mas maliit pa ang magiging kapital o magiging mas madali na to para sa atin o para sa iyo. Because if you decide to put up your by your own or stressful and time consuming. So bakit pa natin papahirapan yung sarili natin kung pwede naman tayo magpag-guide kay Medfarm? So ano nga ba yung mga benefits ng pagpa-franchise kay Medfarm? So sa branding name and trademark, kami na ang magpapakilala ng business mo. Yes. Established product and services na din kami. Established procedure and proven system. We will train your staff. We will help you to find a licensed pharmacist that will suit to your budgets. If wala po tayong alam o kakilalang RPH or yung pinaka-registered pharmacist po na duty po sa area natin, is tutulungan po namin kayong maghanap. We will help you to market in your area by sharing our marketing strategies. Kung paano kami nagma-market ng Medform franchise is ganoon din po ang gagawin namin pagmamarket sa area po ninyo para po ma-advise din po yung mga malapit sa area na meron ng bagong tayong pharmacy sa kanila or dun sa malapit sa area po nila. So, 100% of your income will be yours. Yes. Because no monthly and annual commission o yung tinatawag nilang royalty fee, wala po kaming ibabawas sa sales nyo per buwan or per month dahil solong-solo nyo po yan at wala po kaming royalty fee kinukuha. So, no hidden charges. Yes, kung ano lang po ang franchise fees, ayun lang po ang babayaran natin. No renewal fee. Yes, because our contract is for lifetime basis po. So, ability to compete with a bigger business. Yes. So, kayang-kaya natin because we will serve the cheapest price of medicines on our area, branded or generic or medicines pa yan. So, 80% ngayon ng tao ay practical na when it comes to medicines. So, we will help you to find your location. So, our marketing support is posters and signage. Opening supports are balloons, ribbon cutting, and tarpaulin. So, profitability analysis. So, daily sales natin is 833. So, kung if kikita tayo ng 833 sa isang araw, eh hindi na masama. This analysis is not good to be true, but we need to. And please take note, this is projected only. We will base to the actual performance of our pharmacy. So, at kung iisipin natin, is napaka-imposibleng hindi na natin mataasan itong pinaka, natin, daily sales na naka-indicate dito sa nakikita po ninyo. So, kung kikita po tayo ng 833 per day, at sa isang buwan ay meron tayong 31 days, so ang magiging net income natin per month is 25,000. So, meron lamang tayong 6 months para makuha natin o mabawi natin yung pinaka-ROA natin. So, yung return of investment natin is in just 6 months. Isipin nyo, napaka-ikli lang, mababawi mo na kaagad yung binayad mong franchise fee. But ang maganda dito is yun, kasi yun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, is lifetime basis po ang contract natin. So, we still guide you for the lifetime po. Next, ano nga ba yung mga list of permits na kailangan natin sa pagpapatayo ng isang pharmacy? So, kailangan natin ng DTI. So, no worries kasi i-guide po namin kayo at kami po mismo ang magpoproseso. Barangay permit, business permit, BIR naman, i-guide din po namin kayo sa pagkuha nito. But yun nga po, hindi po kasi nabibigay ang municipality natin o yung doon po sa pinaka-city po natin sa mga company. Kundi ano po ito? So, regarding po dito sa tatlong ito, is matutulungan lang po namin kayo, pero hindi po kami yung mismo magpoproseso. So, sa bill jobs naman po, or yung red registration, is optional lang naman to. So, ito po is ginagamit lamang ng mga nagbibid or yung nakikipag-bidding po sa mga government. So, and lastly is the license to operate as a drugstore. Ito po yung galing sa FDA na kinukuha natin certificate na once po na ma-approve na to, pwede na tayo mag-operate ng pharmacy. So, ito naman po is kami rin po ang magpoproseso nito. Pero yun nga po, paki-take note lang din po na lahat po ng babayaran sa lahat ng permits na ito is shoulder po ng ating franchisee. So, the franchise. Ito yung pinakamahalagang page na ating tatalakayin ngayon. So, among the 450,000 pesos only, ang magiging inclusions muna dito is no royalty fee or yung buwan-buwang binabawas. Wala po kami nun. So, 50K worth of product. Binibigyan po namin kayo ng panimulang 50K worth of medicines. We will process your DDI, FDO, LTO as a drugstore. Free signage, free uniform, tarpaulin and signage, balloon, ribbon cutting, and guidelines posters. So, yung guidelines posters po natin, ito po is soft copy. So, anytime, pwede nyo po itong i-print para at least if ever po na nag-fade na po yung mga posters natin, pwede nyo lang po siyang ulit-uliting i-print lang naman po. So, lahat naman ng ating posters is from FDA lang din naman din po. Thank you. So, next, here is Medform uniform. Ito yung example ng ating uniform sa loob ng pharmacy na ibibigay din po to as inclusion naman po sa ating franchise. So, meron din po tayong Medform signage, lighted Fanaflex po or acrylic po ang pagpipilian natin. So, 40 cm by 1 po ang kanyang size. Then, bibigyan din po namin kayo ng sample pharmacy layout. So, it's up to you po kung ito po ay susundin natin o mas gagawa po tayo ng gusto po natin doon sa loob ng pharmacy. Pero yung siguraduhin lang din natin na yung mga things po na nasa loob ng pharmacy, lahat po to is requirement po from FDA. So, kailangan po talaga siyang sundin. Then, yon, bibigyan din po namin kayo ng 50K worth of product or yung panimulang mga medicines. Bibigay po namin yun sa inyo once po na mag-ooperate na po ang ating drugstore. So, ano nga ba yung mga tina-target nating market dito? So, ang market size and segments natin, so the Medform will seek to attract two different groups of customers and will thus have two strategies to attract them. So, walk-in customers will be targeted through advertisement in local papers, segment boosting, and home or area marketing. So, ads will raise awareness for the discount pharmacy and our lower price. So, ano ba yung tatlong key to success ni Medfarm? So, satisfy our customers so they will return again and again. So, kailangan i-satisfy natin yung mga customers natin. So, pangalawa, i-maintain natin yung low overhead operating cost. Then, lastly is provide better prices than all our competitors. How to apply Medfarm franchise? Paano nga ba? So, step 1, ito pong ginagawa natin is ang orientation. Kailangan maka-attend muna tayo sa isang orientation o mapanood muna natin tong sample orientation natin. So, number 1 is fill up the letter of intent and send us back with your 2 valid IDs once na decided na po tayo. So, second is sign the agreement. Kasabay po nito is yung pay franchise fee. Then, after that, lahat po ng permit is ipaprocess na po natin. Then, pwede na po kayong mag-operate po ng business sa area or ng pharmacy po natin. So, pharmacy pandemic proof of business. So, Philippine pharmacy retail market is accepted to grow at a CAGR of 3% basis revenue during 2019 to 2025 as a research. Let's help us, our community. As we all know that day by day, the number of sick people is rapidly increasing. They come from many walks of life, poor, worker, average, and rich. So, we all love to help them. So, yun lang naman po. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.